Introduction to Fitness Planning Tools.
The weekly fitness routine can be challenging without the right tools. Today's digital landscape offers a variety of apps and platforms designed to help you schedule workouts, set goals, and track progress. Having the right productivity tools not only boosts motivation but also ensures consistency, so you stay on track and achieve your fitness goals.
Calendar apps for scheduling workouts.
Apps like Google Calendar and Outlook are popular for fitness planning. You can block out time for different workouts, set reminders, and easily view your entire week at a glance. These platforms allow you to share your schedule with friends or trainers, adjust sessions on the fly, and integrate fitness as a regular part of your daily routine.
Specialized fitness planning apps.
Dedicated fitness apps such as MyFitnessPal, Fitbod, and JFit are designed for workout organization. These apps let you plan routines, track completed exercises, and even suggest personalized workout plans based on your goals. Many include progress reports and motivational features to help you develop healthy, consistent habits.
Task managers and habit trackers.
Task management tools like Todoist and habit trackers like Habitica help support your fitness consistency. By setting fitness-related tasks and daily goals, you can visualize your streaks and celebrate small wins. These tools make it easier to incorporate exercise into your everyday strategy for productivity and well-being.
Integrating and staying consistent.
Combining these tools with clear goals ensures a balanced and effective fitness routine. Sync your fitness apps with calendars, share your progress with accountability partners, and regularly review your plans. This integrated approach maximizes consistency, helping you build a sustainable and rewarding fitness lifestyle.